Hello, good morning students. Now let us see the problem number 9. Okay, quite easy problem. Identify A, B, C, D, E, R dash in the following reaction. Okay, so here A and B we will be able to get student. So what is the reactant if you take out student? This is the reactant is there, that is the no bromocyclohexane is there, and it is reacting with magnesium and in dry ether. Okay, dry ether. So if it is dry ether student, that is Grignard reagent will form student. So how Grignard reagent will form? This is cyclohexane student, this is the cyclohexane, and here that is Mg will attach and here Br will be attaching student. This is known as what student? Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. And this product, this is the product number A. This is product number A. Now what will happen? This A student, this A will be undergoing water student, HOH, hydrolysis. So if it is going in the hydrolysis student, so this all the group student, all the group will be out. How it will be out student? That is, it will find MgOH and Br. Okay, now what is left student? This hydrogen will go here, so it directly attached to benzene ring. So this is forming what student? That is cyclohexane. This is forming, that is cyclohexane, and this product will be student B. So we got the product A and B student. Okay, so that is why the question asks student, we have to take the dry ether student, dry condition. If you are taking dry condition, you will be able to get the Grignard reagent. But it is the hydrous condition, water is there, moisture is there, it directly gives the hydrocarbon. Okay, now let us move student second number. What the second number is saying? Second number question is there student, alkyl halide reacting with magnesium, dry ether. So it will give Grignard reagent which is reacting with the deuterium oxide, heavy water. So what will be the product student? So let us do the solution of this student. So RBr is there student, it is reacting with magnesium, and in case it is reacting in the condition of dry ether. So what will be there student? RMgBr will form student. Okay, RMgBr. This is what is known as student Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, right student? This is forming Grignard reagent. So this product will be C student. Now this Grignard reagent RMgBr, it is reacting with D2O student. It is reacting with D2O. So D2O, if you are talking about student D2O, so it is generally, it will give the replacement reaction student. How it will give the replacement reaction? If you are trying to understand student, how it will give the replacement reaction, that I am trying to explain to you student. We can write the given deuterium oxide, we can write that is like that HOH is there student, HOH. Okay, so similarly DOD we can write student, DOD. So we are writing student DOD. So what will be there student? This portion is coming out, this portion will be coming out. So if this portion will be coming out student, so what will be the product? You see, so that is MgOD, MgOD and Br is there student. We can write MgOD Br, and remaining what is student? It will form, that is Rd. Okay, Rd. So this is C and this is the D product student. This is the Rd is the D product students. Now student, if you are trying to understand the condition for this one, what they have said here, the product, if you see, this is what group is there student? CH3 CH3 is there. It means the C compound, it means the C compound is what is the it means what will be the C compound student? What would be the C compound? That is, here will be the C compound. How can we change the C compound? This C compound will be CH3 CH, and here is CH3, and that place is Br. So this is getting replaced by this D. Okay, so if you are replacing this by D, so what the product you are going to get? So that is, you are going to get student CH3 CH CH3, and here is the downside, you will be able to get the D. So that is, this is now the correct one is the here. In spite of writing this C, you have to write that is this C, and here we have to write that is this is the compound number D. Now student, now what we are going to do student, next portion. Now let us see the third portion of the question student, that is quite important portion. So how you will be able to solve this question? So firstly, what is there student? R dash X is there student, R dash X, and it is reacting with sodium in ether, it is giving this compound. So how you will be able to get this one student? R dash X is there, R dash X. So it is reacting with Na student, Na in ether, so it is giving this compound. Okay, it means student CH3 C, and here is CH3, and here is CH3, and here is also. So that is two tertiary 3 degree alkyl group is there, means this group is resembles with this. Okay, so what will happen student, you try to understand R dash, how you will take R dash. So two molecule you take student, what that is, you have to take CH3. Okay, two molecule you have to take, that is CH3, and here is you take C, here is X, here is also CH3, and this is CH3, right student? So if you are taking the 2 moles student, if you are taking the 2 moles, so what will happen, you are taking 2 and you are treating with the 2Na, 2Na. So this will be what is happening student, this will give the minus, what is to minus 2NaX, minus 2NaX. So what is the product will be student, that is CH3. This is the 2 times is there, you can write CH3, here is here, here is here, and this is also CH3, this is CH3, this is CH3, this is also CH3, and this is also CH3. So this is our product students, right? So that is what we got student. R dash is this student, this is the R dash. What is remaining, what they are saying in another side of the question, this is 3 degree alkyl halide is reacting with magnesium, so it is giving D. So let us see student, this we consider CH3, no, this is C, here is CH3, downside CH3, and this is X, and it is reacting with magnesium. So what it will do student, what it will give, it will give the Grignard reagent student. So easily it will give the Grignard reagent, nothing is the problem in this question. Here is also CH3, and this is MgX, this is Grignard reagent. So this is compound is D. Now if you are reacting with water student, HOH, so this O and this X, so that is it will be this also MgOHX will be out student. So MgOH and X will be out, plus what is leaving out student, what is being left out, this hydrogen and this. So that is 4 degree hydrocarbon, that will come CH3, this is CH3, this is CH3, and this is CH3. So this is the student, this is the E. Okay, so that is what student, that is 4 degree hydrocarbon, 4 degree. Okay, 3 degree hydrocarbon. So this is our answer student. Thank you so much for watching.